EagleRidge, expert kitchen remodeling in South Weber, Utah. EagleRidge is your trusted partner for kitchen remodeling and renovation in South Weber, Utah. With a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, we transform kitchens with precision, integrating the latest trends and technologies to enhance both style and functionality. Our expert team offers comprehensive remodeling services, from full-scale renovations to custom makeovers tailored to your unique vision. Whether you need a brand new kitchen, cabinetry upgrades, or a modern design layout, we bring expertise and creativity to every project. Our services include new kitchen construction, custom cabinetry, countertop installation, flooring, backsplash designs, lighting solutions, plumbing, and appliance installations. We also specialize in smart home integration, ventilation improvements, and open concept transformations. Every detail, from trim work to eco-friendly upgrades, is handled with care to ensure a seamless renovation experience. EagleRidge takes pride in offering energy-efficient solutions, accessibility modifications, and luxury kitchen enhancements. Our structured renovation process includes assessment, planning, and execution, ensuring high-quality results that align with your expectations. For a free estimate on your kitchen remodeling project in South Weber, Utah, call EagleRidge at 801-784-1457. Transform your space with our expert team and experience a kitchen that blends beauty with functionality.